Okay, so welcome to my channel, and today we will make this beautiful doily. It measures around 12 inches across, that's 30 centimeters, and again for this project I will use crochet thread number 15, which is 50 grams, is 333 meters, and a crochet hook 1.25 millimeter. So hope you will enjoy this tutorial, and if you're first time to my channel, please subscribe. Okay, so now we will start with a slip knot. We will chain 12, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, and we will slip stitch into the first chain that we made to form a ring. Okay. For the round number 1 we will chain 2, and into the ring we will work 24 double crochets. That's 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 21, 22, 23, and 24. And we will slip stitch into the first double crochet of this round. Now we will chain 3 for the first double crochet and chain 3 for the chain 3 space. We will skip next double crochet and double crochet into the next double crochet. Chain 3, 1, 2, and 3. We will skip one double crochet and we'll work a double crochet into the next one. So the pattern for this round is chain 3, skip one double crochet and double crochet into the next. So at the end of this round we will have 12 double crochets with a chain 3 between. Chain 3 and slip stitch into the third chain. For the round 3 we will slip stitch into the chain 3 space. Now we will do chain 3 for the first double crochet, make a double crochet into the chain 3 space, chain 3 and 2 more double crochets into the same space. 1, 2. Now we will skip this double crochet, and into the next chain 3 space we will do 2 double crochets, 1, 2, chain 3 and 2 more double crochets. So the pattern for this round number 3 is in every chain 3 space we will do 2 double crochets, chain 3 and 2 more double crochets. Okay. We are at our last chain 3 space, so 2 double crochets, chain 3 and 2 more double crochets into the same space. And we will slip stitch into the third chain. Okay. Now we will start round number 4. We will slip stitch into the next double crochet, into the next chain and into the chain space. Now we will chain 3 for the first double crochet, and into the same space we will do 2 more double crochets, chain 3 and 3 more double crochets into the same space. 1, 2 and 3. Now into the next chain 3 space we will work 3 double crochets, 1, 2, 3, chain 3 and 3 more double crochets into the same chain 3 space. 2 and 3. So the pattern for this round, in every chain 3 space we'll do 3 double crochets, chain 3 and 3 more double crochets. Okay, here we are at the end, at the last chain 3 space, and again 3 double crochets, 2, 3, chain 3 and 3 more double crochets into the same space. That's 2 and 3. To end this round we will slip stitch into the third chain. Like this. Okay, so 1, 2, 3, 4. Now we'll start round number 5. We'll slip stitch into the next 2 double crochets. So here's first and second. Slip stitch into the first chain of chain 3 space and into the chain 3 space, like that. Again we'll start with a chain 3 as our first double crochet, and we'll do 2 more double crochets, and chain 3 and 3 more double crochets into the same chain 3 space. It's 1, 2 and 3. Now we'll do chain 1 and into the next chain 3 space, again 3 double crochets, 1, 2 and 3, chain 3 and 3 more double crochets into the same space, 2 and 3, chain 1, and we'll repeat this pattern around. So in every chain 3 space we'll do a shell, a big shell, so 3 double crochets, chain 3, 3 more double crochets, and 3, oops, sorry about that, 2 and 3, and chain 1. So here we have our shells, our big shells, and in every shell, so in every chain 3 space, we will do a shell that consists of 3 double crochets, chain 3 and 3 double crochets, and between these shells we'll do a chain of 1. And here we are at the end of the round number 5. This is how it should look like so far. And here we have our chain 1, and we'll slip stitch into the third chain. Okay, let's start round number 6. Slip stitch into the next 2 double crochets. 1, 2. Into the first chain of the chain 3 space and into the chain 3 space. Okay, again we'll start with the chain 3 for our first double crochet. We'll do 2 more double crochets into the same space, chain 3 and 3 double crochets into the same chain 3 space. 1, 2 and 3. Okay, now we will chain 3, 1, 2, 3, and we will single crochet into the chain 1 space between our shells. So slip stitch and just single crochet. Okay, single crochet, chain 3, 1, 2 and 3, and we will do a shell over our next shell. So 3 double crochets, 1, 2, 3, chain 3 and 3 more double crochets into the same chain 3 space. 2 and 3, our shell is made. Chain 3 and into the chain 1 space we'll do a single crochet. Chain 3 and we'll repeat this pattern around. So in every shell we'll do a shell over a shell. So 3 double crochets, chain 3 and 3 more double crochets. Chain 3, single crochet into the chain 1 space, chain 3 and shell over the next shell. So we'll do a shell over a shell, chain 3, single crochet into the next chain 1 space, chain 3 and again shell over a shell. Single crochet into the chain 1 space, chain 3 and slip stitch into the 3rd chain. Now we'll start round number 7. We'll slip stitch into the next 2 double crochets into the first chain, the chain 3 space and into the chain 3 space. Chain 3 for our first double crochet, 2 more double crochets into the same space, chain 3 and 3 more double crochets into the same space. Okay. Now we will chain 7, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 and 7, and we'll do a shell over the next shell. So 3 double crochets, that's 2, 3, chain 3 and 3 more double crochets, and our shell is made. Chain 7, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, and into the we'll do a shell over the next shell. We skip this chain 3, single crochet and chain 3 and go straight into the next shell and work a shell over a shell. So the pattern for this round is shell over every shell all around this doily and chain 7 between them. Okay. Chain 7, chain 7 and slip stitch into the 3rd chain. So this is how far we get and how it should look like so far. This is the end of the round number 7, and here I will stop this video tutorial, and this will be the end of the part 1, and I hope to see you in the part 2 in this video, where we will do rounds from 8 to 14, and then it will be the part 3 with rounds 15 to 21. And the reason for this is that the videos are not too big, that they don't last an hour or so, and I like to make shorter videos. So if you crochet along, you can easily jump from one place in the video to another without having to jump over 20-30 minutes and search where you last crocheted or where you stopped in my video. So hope you enjoy this video. If you have any questions, please put them in the comment below, whatever it's about crochet or anything else that you want to know, and I will be glad to answer them. If not in the comments, then maybe in the next video, or we can do, if you like and if you're interested, I can do a video when I'm crocheting and answering all your questions or whatever. So hope to see you next time, and happy crocheting.